In today's video, I want to try something that I think many people will be interested to try. So we have a mic activator from MAONO. This is a 30 dB mic activator. This is an engineering sample which is not being released yet. MAONO MA100. Also we have very affordable, cheap audio interface from Behringer, which actually this small box is very, I don't know, it just surprised me a lot a couple of days ago when I did the video about this audio interface. And also we have the Shure SM7B, which is known for the low output. This microphone needs a lot of power. So, do you need a mic activator? Let's find out in today's video. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this is very interesting and very odd setup that I have here. By the way, the Windows is open, so if you can hear some background noise, yeah. Actually, this is a pretty decent setup, and also the volume is nearly 2.5, 3 o'clock. So we have about -12, -6. So I think this is much better levels. I'm going to show you right now. But overall, this setup is pretty decent. I can hear some hiss. Actually, I'm gonna be quiet for a couple of seconds. Alright, this is interesting. So, how to achieve that? Obviously, you need a 48 phantom power. When you connect the mic activator, you need 2 sets of XLR cables. I'll show you right now. So, as you can see, the audio interface is connected. And this is the MAONO, can you see? MA100. And it's connected to my Mac. I don't know if you can see, we have pretty decent levels. But yeah, man, I think this is pretty... Actually, I was a little bit skeptical, if I'm honest with you. Sorry, I operate everything with one hand. So I was a little bit skeptical because last time when I did this video, similar video, I tried to use my audio interface, which is solid state logic. And as you know, solid state logic has SSL2 has 62 dB of gain. So I don't need a cloud lifter. But you know what? I think now this makes sense when you need to use a cloud lifter or any type of mic activators. So let's say you're in a situation when you have a very cheap, affordable, and maybe old audio interface, then makes sense to use a cloud lifter. So I'm really surprised about, well, not surprised, but actually about the quality about this mic activator from MAONO. Again, this is not a sponsored video. They don't have an idea that I'm making this video. A couple of weeks ago, they sent me this mic activator. They asked me to review this product. Actually, I was very honored to do that because I was the first person to review this product. And I said in the video that I'm gonna do another tests in the future. So I decided, let me buy a cheap, affordable audio interface, and I'll test it and I'll see if this makes sense. Because if I'm honest with you, if you have a nice audio interface, good quality audio interface, you don't need a cloud lifter. But now this makes sense when you need actually a cloud lifter or mic activator. So this is the second video that I'm making right now about this product, and I'm very excited because, man, I do like how my voice sounds, and this is on a flat mode. I don't know if you can see, and pretty decent actually. We have plenty of room, and also we have plenty of gain. So this MAONO MA100 has 30 dB of clean gain. So that's plenty enough to power this microphone or any ribbon microphone. Man, this is nice. This is nice. I'm very, very surprised actually, because if I'm honest with you, I was skeptical, and the reason for that is the Behringer UCM22 has 45 dB of gain, and sometimes when you add additional line preamps, mic activators, this can make it worse. But as you can see and hear, the results are astonishing. So pretty decent setup. The Behringer UCM22 costs about $40, $45, depends of the price right now. Obviously the MA100 will be released, I don't know when, but will be released after a couple of weeks, months, I don't know. Probably I'll let you know when this will be released, and the MA100 will be probably will be released. The price, I'm not 100% sure, but around $99. But man, surprised. So like I mentioned last time when I did the video with the MA100, I used my solid state logic and I didn't feel any difference. Maybe the tone was a little bit different, but now this makes completely different sense for me why you should use a mic activator if you have a audio interface with a low dB of gain, such as 40 to 45 dB. There you have it, guys. I mean, thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comments down below. Yeah, I'll see you in the next video.